Hello, everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to disable pop-up ads on your iPhone. For this, you need to open a browser, let's say Chrome. Tap the three dots, then tap Settings. Scroll down here, and we need to find Site Settings. Yes, Site Settings. There. And next we need notifications. Go in and make sure they're disabled here. Okay, this is mandatory. This is how it should look. Also, if that doesn't help, then go to this folder here. Here's pop-up notification and redirect. These must be disabled. There. And if that doesn't help, then select the app causing issues and delete it. Right? For example, it could be some kind of app manager. I don't have any such apps on this phone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Everyone, bye.